Morning, another fantastic night's sleep. Now, what I want to show you today is a cure that I've invented for snoring. I call it the Snore cure. It's totally free, anyone can do it, and it works an absolute treat. Now, I didn't think I was a snorer, didn't believe I was a snorer, even though I was told by my children that I did snore. I had no idea just how much, but it started to become a problem. So to prove my point, I got a hold of Snore Lab and recorded myself one night. This is the noise I make. I'm not sure I could sleep next to that. I was quite proud of the scores that I got. I scored epic most of the night, which is a frightening noise. But it was becoming a problem, so I had to do something about it. So I did some research, and I found out that a great way to stop yourself snoring is to push your jaw forward. You try making a snoring sound with your mouth in its normal place. It's dead easy. Really simple. Yep, that's what I sound like. But if you push your jaw forwards, it's virtually impossible to make the sound. So, how do I sleep all night with my jaw pushed forward in place like that? Well, one thing you can do is buy one of these gum shields with a ratchet on. You mould it around your teeth, you shove it in, and there you go. Oh, I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up next to that? It sort of does the job, but after a while it tastes absolutely disgusting no matter how hard you clean it. And you can see what it looks like. Not the most attractive implement. Also makes me gag a bit when I put it in. I was trying not to gag there. So I thought, well, how do I sleep all night with my jaw forwards? Tried all sorts of things. I tried sleeping with my hand over my mouth like this, sleeping with my chin on the pillow, trying one of those balaclava things. That didn't work. But I hit upon this. This is the cure. This is all you have to do, and it costs nothing. Literally, you take your tongue, stick it between your teeth, wrap it round your front teeth underneath your lip, and let your mouth close on it. And your mouth sort of pinches your tongue in place. And you can sleep all night like that, believe it or not. And it is miraculous. And after a while, you get used to sleeping like that. You don't actually have to have your tongue there. You can just put it between your teeth like that, and it becomes very easy to do. And it's miraculous. It costs absolutely nothing. It's the trademarked Snore cure, and I give it to you to save your marriage. I hope it works for you. Listen to the effect.